Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys a cute little project that I've been working on. I do apologize for being a little sparse on my channel with the videos, but work has just been occupying so much of my time, and really in my free time all I've been trying to do is paint a little piece of furniture in my craft room, and I just have to tell you guys, I am not a painter. I struggle so hard with it that it's been like over a week since I've tried to paint this thing, and I'm hoping that this last time will do the trick. So you will finally see that as part of my room tour when I am able to shoot that video for you guys and get a little bit more done to get my craft room ready. So for this video, I actually was going to do a project share and a tutorial, but it was getting way too long, so I'm actually going to split it up. So I'm going to share with you guys my messy rag bows in this video as just like a project share, and then make sure to stay tuned to my channel and subscribe if you haven't done so. I will have the tutorial on how to create them upcoming, so at the latest it'll be in 2 days. I just have to find time to edit that video, but I wanted you guys to see the full process so that you guys can create your own if you wanted to. So enough rambling, let's jump in to showing you the messy rag bows that I created. Right, so here is just basically a pile up of these messy rag bows. I don't know what else to call them. Anna helped me actually come up with a name for them. I first got this inspiration by watching a couple of ladies here on YouTube. They mostly do home decor and DIY items, but they were doing something called a messy bow. And I believe the first person, or the person that came up with it, is Melanie Ferguson. And I don't think she does a lot of YouTube videos. She's mostly on Facebook. So this is my take on the messy bow, and I think they are so super cute. I did have more than what you see right here, but I did gift some. So these are the ones that I've left. And like I said, if you guys want to see how I made these, stay tuned until after I share with you guys the ones that I've already created, and we'll make one together. So the best part about it is you can use scraps of fabric, burlap, all the things, ribbon. You don't have to stay with a uniform size. I also have some lace in here. The wider ribbon, these are about 1.5 inches. Mostly these are from Hobby Lobby. I also have like the 1/4 inch gingham ribbon tucked in. So it's like a fun surprise whenever you just kind of look through these. You can definitely use these as like bag toppers. I think they'd be so pretty. And on the back here, I didn't put any like closure or findings on them, but I will show you in a second. I did make some miniature versions, and I put those pin backs on them, like for brooches. So I'll show you that. For the centers, you can do whatever you would like. I think it'd be cute to put a little rosette in the center. I ended up using some of my really small doilies. I have these little remnant doily pieces in my stash. And then I used buttons because I have a lot of buttons in my stash too. So I thought they were really cute. But you could also add some bling in there if you'd like. And the best part about this is that there is really no rhyme or reason, especially when you're stacking all of these items. So I love the ones that I made. So back here, there's some organza, there is some burlap in this like sage green color. Also this burlap ribbon, it has this like cotton ribbon in the center. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and lots of torn fabric. So here is the first one. like I said before in my videos, I've been loving yellow. So I dug through my fabric scraps and I pulled out as much yellow fabric as I could. And really, the shades are all totally different, but they all go together, and I think it's so cute. So there's a lot of texture going on in these, and they're so fun. If you made them small enough, I'm sure you could put like a barrette piece. I don't know what those are called, but use them as like hair bows for little girls. I think that'd be super cute. For this one in the center, I have this gold mini doily in the center, and then I used one of these larger yellow buttons. Super, super cute. Here is one in more of a blue tone. And what I like to do is pull out the colors from the main fabric that I'm using, and that way I can add so many different colors instead of just picking a fabric that was blue and just using only blues. So that's where the green comes in from like the leaves of the fabric, and this darker pink is like from the roses in the fabric. So I also did include just some different blue fabric because, like I said, they all just go together. In this one, I have a blue crochet doily in the center, and then this is actually a button, but it looks like a rose. Super cute. And here is a little bit smaller version. So again, this is the main fabric here. Again, is that same one, the blue that I just showed you. You'll see some lace poking out. And I really didn't think I was going to like adding the burlap to these, but I really, really think it gives it such great texture, and it's just a hint of it. But it does give it a little bit more of a rustic feel, but I really like that. So here's another one of my little scrap crochet doilies, and this is actually a heart button that's clear. So like I mentioned, I created some miniature ones. So if I show you like this one, this is like a full size. Look how teeny tiny this is compared to it. It's so cute. These are all in the blue shade. And for these ribbons, all I did was cut them in half. And the more fraying and stuff that you get from cutting all these things apart, the better. You don't want it to be like perfectly perfect. You can cut these wonky, you will never know. But they're so fun. So here are like smaller strips of fabric in here. These actually have the glitter ribbon. It's this. First of all, a lot of glitter comes off of it. So you have to kind of contain that mess when you're working with it. But I use the blue shade and the white, and these I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I was trying to find a way to use them, so this was perfect. And on the back, all I did was hot glue this little pin back. So if you just turn this comes out, and then you can just attach it to whatever you'd like. And I'll show you an example. So here is another one of my knitted pouches, and look how cute it is up there. And that's the reason I actually created these. I can't ever just create one, so that's why there's 3 of them. But isn't that super cute? So that's a way to use them. And if the recipient wants to use this somewhere else, they can just take it off because it's attached. It's not permanent. And then use it somewhere else. So that's an idea. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys seen these bows before? I just love the messiness of it, even though I'm more of a meticulous crafter. I do enjoy crafts like this where you don't have to think a lot and the outcome is super cute and fun.